Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and here on We Mama I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. I would love it if you could stick around and help support grow my channel. Here I'm just filming a speed clean of when my little boy naps. I only get kind of like an hour's window to get it all done. So I'm not doing a deep clean, I'm just tidying and just giving everything a quick clean. And as you can see at the moment I'm doing my living room. Unfortunately, I am going so fast because I'm an idiot and I time-lapsed everything. So I have tried to slow everything down. I did just need to film it and then obviously like edit it the other way. But yeah, I'm an idiot, that didn't happen. But I just wanted to still upload it and just show you that, yeah, I do try and get as much done as I can when my little boy naps. So here I'm moving on to the kitchen. As you can see, it is a bomb site. I always tend to leave my dishes if my husband's had the morning off. I'd rather spend that time with him rather than cleaning them. So yeah, I just leave them and do them in the morning. I didn't have a chance to mop the kitchen as I really wanted to, but I did get as far as hoovering. This is the dining room. This place is just a bomb site because it's just the dumping ground. Everything just gets dumped in here. And this is also where I put my drying rack for my clothes, so it's constantly up. It's just a room that gets messy really, really quickly. And my hoover died halfway through hoovering, so yeah, it is still a mess. Those frames there, I've got a project coming up to do with those, so I can't wait to show you that. Now I'm just moving on to my little boy's room. He is now downstairs with my husband at this point. I just ended up tidying this room. I didn't really give it a good clean because my newborn daughter was just kicking off, so I only managed to change his sheets and just have a general tidy up, but I do usually do all the skirting boards, have a good dust and polish, along with a good hoover and to just disinfect everything. Unfortunately, yeah, my daughter was just screaming the play stands. That's all I had time for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.